Hello learners. In this video we will learn strings and various string methods in JavaScript. Watch this video till the end. A string is a sequence of characters used to represent text. Below are the ways by which we declare strings in JavaScript. We use double quotes, single quotes and backticks to declare strings in JavaScript. In JavaScript, we use plus sign to concatenate two or more strings together to form a new string. Like you can see the example shown. We used plus symbol and concatenated three strings, John, space and Doe to form full name. Template literals are a way to create strings in JavaScript. It supports string interpolation, which means inserting variables into strings. For example, in the example above we created a string, full name, from two string variables first name and last name. JavaScript treats strings like character array, so the looping is similar to that like a character array. As you can see, we have already seen this type of example in the array video previously. Next we come to string methods. Like arrays, JavaScript also provides us with various string methods which make strings more easy to use in JavaScript. Let's look at the strings one by one. I have created a file and using comments. I have tried to explain all these methods. The link of this source code you will find in the description box. Go through every string method and you will surely like. Within the source code you will find 27 important string methods. Do not forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.